honestly, I was slightly nervous. But then I was given enough confidence by Vinayana, the coach, and the rest of the team. I'm receiving a lot of support from everyone there. And it feels like an honor and a privilege to be leading the side. Every year I told the team the same thing as well. Leading up to the auction every year, I feel like playing for Hubli Tigers. I hope I get picked by the Tigers. And to be leading this team, it feels very special.
As I earlier mentioned, we have that great legacy. It's all up to you guys. We have done with our job. It's all there in your hand now. Go there in the middle, give your best, and try to win this competition. The fans have been amazing from the day one. They're always behind Hubli Tigers. And hopefully this year also we'll try to play some good cricket and give you guys and make you all proud. And a special mention to our support staff. They are working relentlessly day in, day night. And also team's two big backbones, Manish and Abhijit. A big round of applause to them because they are working really hard. So finally, media, thank you so much for coming for this occasion in this event. Once again, thank you for everyone. Please enjoy the evening.
Every year, people ask me what defines the Hubli Tigers. My answer is very simple. Loyalty, creating this franchise year and year is a renewal of our war to our roots. It is built on a culture of care, excellence and unwavering trust. For us, success extends beyond winning trophies. It is building careers. Karnataka is a gold mine of raw talent. Our true purpose is to provide a premier platform where young home-ground players can chase their dreams and transition and promise youngsters into world-class athletes. Watching them thrive is the greatest reward we could ever ask for. But a tiger cannot rule the jungle alone. To our management team, to our support staff, you are ensuring heroes working tirelessly hours in the shadows. Thank you for keeping our machineries oiled, and a huge thank you to the KSCA for your vision and for giving us this incredible stage to celebrate the game. To our boys, wear this jersey with pride, play with honor, and let's bring the trophy back home. Thank you. Again, let's the road begin. Thank you.